Hi, today we're going to learn how to bezel a 8mm Chaton. The reason I decided to make this short video is because there's not many out there with this particular technique, like the way you see in here. With this technique you can make your earrings. These are my designs that the videos are soon coming out, and this is my new work in progress. So this is the style, the technique we are going to learn today. This one here. As you see, there's many ways you can bezel one, like my last video that we bezel this 8mm Chaton in a pentagon shape, and this one this design that I just made today with different kind of beads. We are going to start with 20 Miyuki 11-0, and as always we close the circle with couple knots. Just always make sure you count again those 20 beads, because then you realize that you didn't put 20 and all the work that you did, you had to do it all over again. It happens to me many times. That's why I always recommend to count again. We make a couple knots. Here I always like to go 2 more beads ahead and make here another knot. Now with this technique you have to pull the thread constantly. It's getting a little tricky here. Okay. Now we grab 1 11-0 and we skip the next bead and we go through the one next to it, just like this. One more, and then we are gonna keep doing this all the way around, just like this. Just remember that you have to keep pulling the thread. Now here, this is the last bead of the round here. Keep pulling the thread, and as you see, now the beads are on the top of each other, just like this. Now we get the needle inside the next bead, just like this, and we are going to do the same process. One bead in between these two, just like this, in between, and then you're going to keep putting the seed beads in between them all the way around. This is the last bead of the row here. Again, don't forget to keep pulling the thread. Don't worry if what you're doing doesn't have a nice shape. Once we put the chaton inside, it will shape all nicely. Now here again, we put the needle inside the next bit, and here we are gonna use 15-0. Now we make sure that chaton fits there nicely. We hold it and we pull the thread just like this. You see? Now it has a nice shape. Now here we are going to use the 15-0 and we are going to just keep doing the same technique that we've been doing. Just putting the beads in between. This is 15-0. Again, we are going to put it in between the 11 O's, and don't forget, keep pulling. Now while you're putting the 15 O's in between, make sure you pull the thread and then you hold it, the chaton there tightly so it doesn't move or it doesn't get out of the little cage that we're building for it. Keep doing it, pulling it and grabbing the chaton there. We are doing all nicely and we are almost done. Now here you can just play with different colors. This case I'm only using gold. As I was saying, you can use different colors. Like here in this case, some kind of pinkish, purplish. And this is how we end to bezel. That is how it's supposed to end, just like this. And in the back, just like that. You see here. And after that, we are just find a way, find our spot to make couple knots. Now here's gonna be a little tricky to make because everything is tight, so you have to find a space that is a little loose and slowly just make your knot. And then here I like to make 2 knots so this bezel is safe here. And we are gonna make the last knot right here. And we cut. I hope this video helps you with your future designs and inspire you to new designs just like this. Soon you're gonna see videos with my new designs that I'm working on, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just make some comments about this or any questions you may have. And thank you so much for watching.